Maybe you don't know how to grow tomatoes in a short time with a 20-liter tank at home and still achieve high productivity. Watch this video of mine. I will guide you step by step on how to plant and fertilize. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. No need to sow seeds, but having saplings to grow is really fun if you watch this video of mine. Today, I will guide you to cut tomato branches to grow young plants. The tomato plant is old and in the process of wilting. I will choose a medium-sized branch to cut and grow into a young plant. I use scissors to cut off the old leaves and cut a section of the branch. When I plant them in the ground, I scrape off the outer bark with a knife and apply anti-scarring agent to both ends of the branches. Bananas are rich in nutrients, improve soil, and repel insects, so I will stick a young branch in half a banana and plant it in a nursery pot. Once the nursery is complete, I will water it by misting to prevent soil from washing away. While waiting for the young tree to grow, I will use a 20-liter can with holes punched in it to plant the tree. I punched holes in a 1.5-liter bottle and attached a wick to make a watering channel for the plants. After a few days of incubation, the branch I incubated has sprouted. I will plant it in a 20-liter can. To grow plants quickly, the soil must be rich in nutrients. I will mix worm castings with the soil to grow plants. After planting, I will put water in the bottle so that the water seeps into the wick and into the soil to create moisture for the plant to grow. At this stage, the tree is growing very healthy. I cut off the old and dry leaves at the base. Now I will put soil at the base to help the tree stand more firmly and firmly. To provide moisture for the plant to not dry out, I will pour a lot of water into the bottle so that the wick can slowly absorb moisture for the plant. Amazing! After 45 days of planting, now I can harvest. There are so many fruits, and they look so delicious. I will pick them and cook many delicious dishes. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.